massive Tiranga rally has been organized by the Congress workers and the Congress leaders here at Bengaluru. They are planning for a walk from KR Circle to all the way till Chinnaswamy. Right now we are near Vidhan Sauda. Vidhan Sauda is at the backdrop, and my camera person is trying to raise his camera to show you how various leaders of the Congress party are behind. You have DK Shiv Kumar, you have GC Chandrasekhar, you have the Chief Minister himself, Priyank Kharge, Dinesh Gundu Rao, KJ George just went in forward. A lot of these leaders are all present here, and they are all here to show their solidarity, their support to the Indian Army and the armed forces who are right now engaging on an all-out escalation that is taking place at the Pakistan border. We've seen heavy shelling also taking place yesterday. And right now, the Congress leaders today have come here to show their support for the Indian Army with a vision with Tiranga rallies and Tiranga all in their hand, saying that they all stand with the Indian Army in these times of troubles. We have a few people who are also walking with them. Let us try to connect with them and get a word from them. Jabar, Swati, you are here at the Tiranga rally. What is the message to the people from here?
We are very proud of our Bharatiya Sena, especially in this tough time, the way they are waging the war and every detailing. They're able to note where enemy is attacking from. They're able to not even make a single missile enter the country. And I pay my condolence to the 17 people who laid their life in yesterday's war attack. But nevertheless, we, India, will fight back and will ensure that we'll capture Lahore if required, and will take away the Pakistan from the maps of the world, but will not let India lose this war at any cost. And we as a Congress party and our allies, we are with Bharat, we are with India, and we are with Government of India. In this tough time, we stand united and we fight united.
Well, that was a strong message that they will wipe out the Pakistan from the map of India, and you can see all these leaders from Dinesh Gundu Rao and everyone walking here showing their support. We have Priyank Kharge also in the midst of the crowd. You have Rizwan Asad, everyone here in support of the armed forces, trying to send a message from Bengaluru that whatever happens, whatever the situation is at the border, we will stand with our armed forces, and we are always there with them. And with the help of this Tiranga rally, that is the message that they are trying to send the people. We have some boys. You all have come here. What is the message that you are trying to send to people from here? What message ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ
ಜನರಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಸರ್
Well, that's what they're saying, that it's a tribute to the Indian Army. Bringing you this report from the Tiranga rally, which is starting from KR Circle to Chinnaswamy with all the Indian flags, is me, Mohammad Fajullah, along with my camera person Jabbar for News 9.